Hi.
Let me ask you a question. Are you tired of trying to learn molecular dynamics simulations using online resources? Are you frustrated with online resources, tutorials, manuals, books, etc. that promise you to teach how to apply molecular dynamics simulations in your drug discovery program, but they are way overcomplicated for you to understand? Well, if that is the case, welcome to this online course which will make that learning complexity simple. My name is Syed Hussain Basha, Head of R&D Activities at Innovative Informatica Technologies, a gene to drug discovery service providing company, and I will be your instructor for this course. So, what makes this course stand out? Well, there are several things. First of all, in every single session, you will learn a valuable new skill, and in every single session, you will learn how to apply these skills in your real time projects. Next, this course is designed to take you step by step in the steep learning program of applying molecular dynamics simulations in your drug discovery program. So, your learning will never get lost in the course. Finally, it will be extremely interesting once you start understanding how these tools can be utilized to navigate your drug discovery projects. And it will be an exciting thing when you start applying these skills in your real time projects. And now, let's have a look inside the course so that you can decide for yourself if it is right for you or not. In this program, we will start with very basics of by introducing the molecular dynamics simulations and how and where these techniques can be applied to boost the process of your drug discovery. And then we will move on to the concepts like what is force field, what is the principle behind molecular dynamics simulation, how to prepare files, how to execute things in the molecular dynamics platform, and finally, how to analyze the simulation results, etc. And on top of all that, you will learn how to create stunning publication quality graphs and images from the simulation analysis, revealing their molecular level interactions that will help you deliver your analysis in a capitative visual format. And these are just a few examples of what we will be covering inside the course. Well, if you are interested in finally mastering molecular dynamics simulations and ready to make your drug discovery more attractive to your target readers of your research, then this is the course you have been looking for. Click that Take this course button now and join the class, and I'll be looking forward to see you inside. Thank you.